In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage clients in Monday.com step by step. If you're running an agency, freelancing, or managing customer relationships for your business, setting up a proper client management system inside Monday.com can save you hours every single week. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional client tracking board with automations, views, and team collaboration set up correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your account at Monday.com. Once you're inside your workspace, click on the plus new button on the left-hand side. From the drop-down, select Board and then choose From Scratch. This gives you a clean setup so you can customize everything specifically for client management. Give your board a clear name, something like Client Management or Client CRM, and click Create. Now you have a dedicated space where all your client information will live. Next, we need to add the right columns so you can properly organize your client data. Click on Add Column to start customizing your board. First, make sure you have a client name column. This is usually your main item column where each row represents one client. Then add a text column for the contact person, especially if you're dealing with companies instead of individuals. After that, add an email column so you can store client email addresses in the clickable format. Add a phone column for contact numbers. Now let's add a status column. This is extremely important. You can customize the labels to something like lead, active, and inactive. This allows you to instantly see where each client stands in your pipeline. After that, add a date column and rename it to Next Follow-Up Date. This will help you keep track of when you need to reach out again. Finally, add a long text column called Notes, where you can store extra information like contract details, special requirements, or conversation summaries. Once these columns are in place, your client management structure is ready. Now it's time to add your client data. You can manually start filling out each row by typing in the client name and completing the details across the columns. But if you already have a client list in Excel or CSV format, you can import it. Click Add, then choose Import Items and upload your file. Monday.com will map the columns so you can align them with your board fields. This makes transferring existing data incredibly fast and efficient. Once your data is inside the board, let's make it smarter using automations. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board. Monday.com offers automation recipes that require no coding. For example, you can choose a recipe that says, when next follow-up date arrives, notify the account manager. This ensures you never forget to reach out to a client. Another powerful automation is, when status changes to active, assign client to team member. This keeps your workflow organized automatically. Simply select the recipe, configure the fields, and click Save. Now your board works for you instead of you constantly checking it. To make tracking even easier, you can use different views. The default table view is perfect for seeing all client information in detail, but if you click Add View, you can create a calendar view to visually track upcoming follow-ups by date. This is extremely helpful for planning your week. You can also add a kanban view to organize clients by status. This gives you a visual pipeline where you can drag and drop clients from lead to active to inactive. It's perfect for sales teams and account managers. Finally, let's talk about collaboration. If you're working with a team, click on Share and then add members to invite them to the board. You can also add a person column to assign each client to a specific team member. This creates accountability and makes it clear who is responsible for managing each relationship. Team members can leave updates, tag each other, and attach files directly inside each client's row. And that's it. You now have a fully functional client management system inside Monday.com, complete with structured data, automations, multiple views, and team collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.